Hello beautiful people, it's been a while and Calista Star Beauty is here again to say thank you all for taking me up to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate your love, and you who has not subscribed yet, kindly please touch the red subscribe button down below and hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to see it. Something new for you today. Look at what I have on my head. This braid, I'm going to show you how I transformed it from this braid to what you are seeing right now, because I like my braids to be full but I didn't want it heavy. Let the camera roll as you see how my children do all this for me. Enjoy the rest of your video. So guys, we braided this hair with our normal braiding extension and ended it where my hair length ends. Then in the end, we braided into different portions, put in hot water and let it dry. You can either leave it dry overnight or you blow dry it. And then the finished product was so good. Oh my gosh, I love this. So it gave us this wavy nature because the extension I wanted to use is wavy. So I got this wavy extension, crochet extension, so that it will match the ends of this braid. I hope you are enjoying it. So now I'm about to experiment because I've really not done this before and I was wondering like it would be too thick, but I bet you I enjoyed this hair by the end of it and I'm still enjoying it. So look at what we are doing. Just get your crochet extension, whichever one you like, and just crochet it along the length of the braid. If you want it down, you braid it down, you crochet it down, but I wanted mine from the roots. That's why we are doing it far up there. So in the end, it's going to make this braid of mine thicker, fuller, yet very light, which is exactly what I wanted, because I don't know how to manage it when it's too thick and heavy. So look at what we did. As easy as you can, everyone can do this. I really loved it, guys, and you're still watching means you're enjoying the video. Why not consider touching the subscribe button and hitting on that notification bell, so each time I upload a video you will be the first to see it. Thank you for your comments, thank you for your love. Do not forget to share the video to your friends, to your family members. That way they too can be exposed to little tips as we do on this channel. So that is how it goes, and the music in the background is mine, so I'm actually claiming ownership and I am enjoying it so well. Look at that. That is the finished product. See how thick the braid has become. Oh my god, I am loving it, and I hope you are loving it as well. Oh wow, look at that. This is exactly what I wanted, but I thought that maybe I used 2 packs of the crochet extension. I was thinking it would be too much, but as a matter of fact, it is exactly what I wanted. So I'm just putting my mousse and I'll use a little bit of old spray because this crochet extension does not really last. It's going to tangle in a while. So like almost after 2-3 days, I have to use a little bit of mousse and some old spray and some gel to rub through the strands of this hair so I can be able to maintain it for some time. Look at that. Yay, I'm enjoying this. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you love it, do not hesitate to give a thumbs up to my video. Thank you. Thank all my subscribers and all those who have dedicated this time on my channel to watch this video. Thanks to my daughters for doing this to me. They did it so perfectly. See you in my next video. Bye bye.